All right, hello everybody. This is our quick walkthrough of Sandals Royal Curacao. We are staying in the Sunchi Swim Up Club level Beachfront Junior Suite with the Patio Tranquility Soaking Tub. It's level BSUP, and we are specifically in room 1252. This is a pretty awesome room. Let's take a look. Okay, when you enter the room here, this is specifically room 1252. We are in building 8. It is the furthest building from the main buildings, restaurants, and that sort of thing. But we kind of absolutely love it down here. It's very, very quiet. This end of the beach is super quiet. There's a restaurant down here called The Strand that's just a couple of hundred yards from where we sit on the main beach. And here is room 1252. All right, so when you come into the room here, on your left-hand side, you're going to have the restroom, bathroom, shower. Left-hand side of that room, you've got your toilet room. Over by the front door, you have your thermostat, carbon monoxide detector. And then on the right-hand side of the room, you're going to have your closets. Double door closet. There's an iron. Also has a safe. Program your code, lock it, put the same code in to get it unlocked. Very convenient. It's a double door, plenty of room for all of your hanging stuff. Got some extra pillows, warm blanket in case you like the air conditioner on 60 degrees like we do. And then the left-hand side of the room, you've got your light switches for the 2 lights in the bathroom, over the sink, and in the shower. And then to the left-hand side when you walk into the bathroom, you have your toilet room. Light switch there is just on the inside left. And then conveniently, this door will close all the way for a little privacy in case someone's using the sink or the shower. Plenty of room here on this shower. Sink has lots of room on left and right. Would kind of prefer a double sink since we're both getting ready around the same time, but there's plenty of room up top there. Towels, extra toilet paper, that kind of stuff down below. Towels are refreshed at least once a day, and if you want the turn down service in the evening, they'll also do it again. And then we've also got plenty of room up here on this counter above the sink, and then also a magnifying mirror that will come out on this swivel if you'd like. And then over to this really nice shower. So shower opens up, door pulls towards you in this particular room. And we've got a really kind of cool spacious shower here. 2 shower heads. You can use the shower head up above here, the rainfall, or you can use the wand, or you can use both same time. That control is over here on the right hand side. The top is obviously for the rainfall, and then the bottom is for the shower head. And then again, plenty of space to keep all your shower stuff, soap, shampoo, all that kind of good stuff. And then a little bit weird for some folks, but it gets steamed up. You can't really see it that well, but you can actually see out into the room from inside the shower. They do have this frosted glass partway down to leave something to the imagination. All right, we'll close this up. And then the bathroom door actually slides from the outside. And you can close that up if you'd like. And then just past the 2 closets, you've got your mini bar all stocked up, ready to go. Sandals does a great job of keeping this stocked up. Sandals Curacao has had us stocked up every single day. Glasses, ice bucket, all the mixers you like. Got your bottle opener, your wine opener, and corkscrew. And then down below a refrigerator. That mini fridge is all stocked up with beer, champagne, sodas if you like, orange juice for the morning. And they stock that and restock that daily. Great service. And they've done a great job here at Curacao keeping us all stocked up with all of our favorite drinks. And then the main bedroom. Get a nice wide shot of that bedroom. Really spacious. Ceiling fan above the bed. King size bed in this particular room. A little foot bench at the end of the bed. One nightstand on this side. These two end lamps are worked right below. Each side also has a little reading light, and that's worked right from below the light, little button. If you want to do some reading, you can turn these lights off. Still have a cool reading light there before you go to bed. Telephone there, remote control. All right, 2 drawers in each nightstand. And then down below, you have 2 European outlets. And you can see on the right-hand side of the top of that outlet is a USB. You can plug that USB directly into it so you can charge your cell phone, laptop, iPad, that sort of thing. If you don't have European adapters, make sure you get European adapters. There are more European outlets in this room than there are US. And make sure you get the correct adapter. They make one that is just a USB, and they also make one that is for 110. You want to get the European adapter with the 110. Very, very comfortable king size bed. Pillows are super comfortable. Been getting a great night's sleep here. And then you have your main storage for drawers. Down below, plenty of space there as well. Nice big, what looks to be 50 or 55 inch TV. Down here we've got a little bit of artwork, some shelving. This has been great. Coffee maker. Some more shelving down below. We've been keeping our towels and shoes and that sort of thing down here. There's also a little workspace. Decide to pull that chair out. I've been doing my fishing report and some online work from this little space right here. Super convenient. And there are a couple of battery operated candles here. Sandals says, battery operated candles, please do not light. They don't mean don't light these at all. They mean don't light that with a lighter, because I guess some people might try to do that. And then over here, there's some space in the corner. Wish they had a luggage rack or something, but they don't. And then the nightstand on the right-hand side, alarm clock, 2 more drawers, some more storage space. And then again, 2 European outlets, one with the USB direct. All right, before we head outside and show you the patio with the Tranquility Soaking Tub and the swim up pool and all that awesome stuff, we're going to show you how we're watching TV. You've got your basic channels here, you know, your basic vacation package, which is not very good. So what we're doing is we are Chromecasting our Netflix. So when you turn the television on, you're going to use your remote and head over to Smart Apps and Media. Go into that and then hit Chromecast. You're going to get that all set up. Just pay attention to what the screen is going to tell you here. And basically, this enables you to stream from your device to your television, which is pretty cool. So if you have Netflix, Hulu, any of those types of things, and they allow for Chromecast sharing, this television will allow that. So we've got our Netflix all set up. We're catching up on our Walking Dead. Basically, once you get this all set up, you can either use the QR code over here to the right, or you can do it through pairing.tv. And then you are going to go to the television show that you're watching, whether it's on Netflix or something like that. And then up in the corner here, you're going to see this little icon with what looks like a rectangle and then the Wi-Fi. You hit that. And once you get that set up, You go to My Media, that's where you're going to share it, and then wait for it to load. It only takes 10 or 12, 15 seconds maybe. Down here, loading in the bottom corner, you should see that. And then voila, you are streaming from your Netflix app, from YouTube, any sort of streaming application that you have. You can watch it on your television, and it is very, very convenient. All right, I feel terrible for what's happened to Carl. Rick and Lori are gonna get that taken care of, but I didn't come here to watch TV during the day. So we are gonna head out to this awesome patio with a Tranquility Soaking Tub and swim out pool. All right, so here at the door heading out to the patio, it is a very nice wooden door. You've actually got a curtain on both sides too to get some added privacy. And these louvers work with this lever. Pull the lever up, louvers open, push it back up, push that lever into place, and it stays shut for really kind of blackout privacy here in the morning. It's a little latch lock, and then voila. Open it up to another set of glass doors, a turn lock here, and then out to this gorgeous patio with the swim up pool. So there's the view. This room is sold as a beachfront. Good morning, birds. This room is sold as a beachfront, and though the beach is down there, you can kind of see it right through here. There is not much of a beach view. This foliage is just too big. It is really nice. The pool is surrounded by this really dense, lush foliage. Hummingbirds and birds out here in the morning, lizards out on the sidewalk. Even saw a huge crab walking down the sidewalk the other day. But here's a look at the patio. Left-hand side of this room, we've got a table and a couple of chairs, a light over in the corner. Over in the right-hand side, we've got the Tranquility Soaking Tub. Over against the wall, there is a fan control and a light that goes up here for this patio fan. Patio fan is really, really nice because you want to heat this thing up. You can get some really hot water in here. It's plenty big enough for 2 people. You turn that fan on and it's nice and cool. We figured out how to work this thing so we can show you guys. There's actually a wand that you can take off of here to use for the shower, or you can just fill up the tub with the faucet. And here's how this works. For the faucet, you're going to want to pull it towards you, and then you turn it far to the left for hot water, warm, far to the right for cold, and then press it back down into place to close it and shut it off. And then for the wand, that's actually on the other side. Pull that straight towards you. Far left for hot, far right for cold, and then press it down again to shut it off. Give it a couple of seconds because it can take 30 or 45 seconds for that water to feel like it's warm enough, but this has been one of our favorite spots in this soaking tub. And then out to the swim out pool. 2 chairs, a little table down there for relaxing. Got ankle deep water up on this little elevated patio. The pool itself is about 4 feet deep. There's a little area to sit against the wall there. Each room comes with either 1 or 2 of the floats. We've actually taken the float down to the beach, but do hold on to it because it will get swiped if you leave it laying around. But once again, there's the view. Privacy from both sides, so nobody's creeping on you, peeking on you. And this pool is for every room in building 8. Head on down here to show you what it's like. Super nice. So there's the view to the right. And then there's the view to the left. And then here's a room view back at 1252 in building 8 here at Sandals Royal Curacao. It's a great room. If you like the convenience of being able to walk out your back door and swim right into this gorgeous pool with hardly anybody around, it is awesome. And like I said at the beginning of the video, all of the action takes place down there. That's back toward the main building. They've got entertainment every night, and it's pretty loud, so you can hear it out here, but once you get inside, we're far enough away with the doors closed and the TV on, you can't even hear it at all. And everybody's been very respectful of everybody else's privacy. I'll jump up on this little ledge, and you can see just on the other side of this foliage is a path that takes you back to the main building, to the Strand restaurant. There's easy access down to the beach, which is right through here. But like I said, it is not a beachfront, quote unquote, room. The room is here. You cannot get to the beach coming from the pool. All right, and make a note of that. You have to go out the front door and then head down the path to get to the beach. There's no walking through this stuff. It is very thick. There's some thorns and stuff in it. So I would not attempt to come straight from the pool and go down to the beach. Go out the front door, very short walk right down this path, and then the beach is right down there at the bottom of the hill. And there you go. The Patio BSUP at Sandals Royal Curacao, building number 8, room 1252 specifically. But all these rooms, except for where the placement of the things are in the room, left and right and that sort of thing, are going to be exactly the same. BSUP at Sandals Royal Curacao. Awesome spot.